Samsung is getting ready for another big software update, and many Galaxy users are already excited. This update is called One UI 8.5, and it will roll out to dozens of Galaxy phones and tablets next year. Even though Samsung hasn't officially announced it yet, early information and leaked builds make it clear that development is already happening behind the scenes. This year, Samsung released two major firmware updates, both considered some of the best the company has delivered so far. And while the rollout of One UI 8.0 continues, Samsung is quietly preparing for the next step. One UI 8.5 is expected to launch early next year, most likely alongside the Galaxy S26 series. After that, it will start reaching older devices in stages. A simple way to know if your Galaxy device will get One UI 8.5 is to check if it qualifies for One UI 8.0. Both versions are based on Android 16, so if your device is eligible for Android 16, it should get One UI 8.5 at some point. Even if Android 16 is your phone's last major update, you should still receive this new version. Now let's go through the full list of every Galaxy device currently expected to receive One UI 8.5. Samsung's list is large, covering everything from flagship S-series devices to budget A-series phones, rugged devices, foldables, and tablets. Starting with the Galaxy S series, the update will arrive on models including the Galaxy S25 FE, S25, S25 Ultra, and S25 Edge. It also includes the entire Galaxy S24 family, the S23 lineup, and even older devices like the Galaxy S22 series and the Galaxy S21 FE. This means a large part of Samsung's flagship community will be covered. In the Galaxy Z series, One UI 8.5 will reach Samsung's foldable phones. That includes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Fold Special Edition, Fold 6, Fold 5, Fold 4, and all the corresponding Flip models Flip 7, Flip 6, Flip 5, and Flip 4. Foldable users will definitely get the new experience. Moving to the Galaxy A series, Samsung has included many mid-range and budget devices, such as the A73, A56, A55, A53, A30, A35, A34, A30, A26, A2024, and both LTE and 5G versions of the A15, A16, A06, and A17. For a mid-range lineup, this level of support is impressive, especially considering how many A-series phones sell around the world. Next is the Galaxy Tab lineup. Tablets getting One UI 8.5 include the latest Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, Tab S10 Ultra, Tab S10 FE, and Tab S10 FE. Also joining the list are the Tab S9 FE series, the Tabs 9, Dolls 9 Plus, Tab S9, the entire Tab S8 lineup, and more affordable devices like the Tab A9, Tab A9, Tab A11, and the Tab 6 Lite 2024. Samsung is also updating rugged tablets such as the Tab Active 5 and Tab Active 5 Pro. Samsung's F series, which targets select regions, is also included. Phones like the Galaxy FE, F54, F34, F16, F36, and F36 will all get the update. The M series, another popular lineup in many countries, and supported models include the Galaxy M56, M55, M54, M53, M33, M16, M15, and MU6. Even Samsung's rugged X-Cover devices will not be left behind. The update is expected to reach the Galaxy X-Cover 7, X-Cover 7 Pro, and X-Cover 6 Pro. As for when your device will get One UI 8.5, Samsung hasn't shared a timeline. Based on past patterns, the first stable version should arrive early next year with the Galaxy S26 launch. After that, Samsung usually rolls out updates in waves. Higher-end phones tend to get it first, followed by mid, range, and entry-level devices. There may also be a beta program for select models like the Galaxy S25 series, possibly in late 2025, but that isn't confirmed yet. If you want to keep track of all the changes and features coming with One UI 8.5, make sure to follow Samsung news updates, and stay tuned for more details as Samsung gets closer to releasing the new software.